Hi, Explain Dad here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restart your iPhone 12. Make sure you stay to the end of the video so you don't miss any of the important steps. And make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. So there are three ways to restart your iPhone 12. So the first one is press the power button on the right side and press the volume up. Keep them connected and then slide to power off. Then the mobile will turn off. Also the power button again and the volume up. And the Apple logo will appear again. So after you logged into your phone again, the second thing you can do is press on the power button on the right side and simultaneously on the volume down button at the same time. So 1, 2, 3, press, hold, and then the same screen will appear here again. That's the second method. The third one is through settings. So go to settings, scroll down to general, then all the way down until you see shut down. If you press shut down, same button will appear again and you can swipe to turn it off. This is how you restart your iPhone 12.